My name is Uwe Vogt. I'm a member of the board of Aucotec. We are a German company over 30 years in the market, and we're offering engineering tools. The specialty of our platform engineering base is that the data are in the center. So usually when we talk about ECAD or CAD systems, the drawing is in the center. So these systems are supporting the people by doing the documentation and drawing stuff. Our platform is addressing the data-driven approach. So the data model of a plant or a machine or a mobile device is in the center. So that's the reason why we say Industry 4.0 is our topic. We invited this tool, I think, around 2000. At this time, nobody was talking about Industry 4.0, but we had this already in mind. Today we have thousands of customers which are using engineering base, and these customers are understood the meaning of data. So one important customer, for example, is Claudius Peters, a German company, and they told us engineering base teached us the meaning of data new.